So there's a lot of talk about IG Live these days, but as a business owner, you might be wondering what makes the most sense to actually go live on Instagram with. I have 5 great suggestions for you today that are going to get you up and running and feeling excited about using Instagram Live to build your audience, find your followers, and get more business. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you'll be alerted when my next video goes live. So Instagram Live is a great tool that's accessed right through your Instagram feed that allows you to create a really connected and deep conversation with your followers using a live streaming platform. The great thing about it is you can do it right from your mobile phone. It's built into your Instagram profile already, and you don't need any kind of third-party broadcasting system to make it a hit. So the only thing that might be really standing in your way is wondering, what exactly should I go live with? Now, with a personal account, you could pretty much do anything and call it a day. But for a business account, when you're utilizing Instagram in a more strategic and thoughtful and marketing way, it's a better idea to actually have a strategic plan of the kinds of shows or content that you would be streaming through a service like Instagram Live. So I have 5 ideas for you that you can use for your business to start streaming on Instagram Live today. The first one is you can utilize Instagram Live like customer support or customer orientation. Think about it. You could either do crowdsourced questions or customer questions, almost utilizing it like a live FAQ, a fact page. So if your customers consistently have the same questions over and over, this could be a great way for you to answer those questions, but also have a level of interactivity with you. And remember, everything that you do on Instagram Live, you can save and then upload to Instagram TV. So let's repurpose that content, especially, again, if it's questions that you're getting on a repeated basis. The second idea is you can actually do a live Q&A session where you invite your customers or your followers, or even some specific people within your business, to ask questions and answer them. It would be a great area for you to actually bring on some kind of expert. So if you have a business that's highly technical, or maybe needs a little bit more explanation, you can invite an expert in to actually have that conversation with them. And think about it, that gives you the ability to actually do a split screen. So as you're asking the question to the expert or the person or your interviewer, then you're also still there on the screen, even if you're not in the same physical location as the other person. Think about the possibilities, how you could do this from locations that are across the globe. The third idea is to actually do a live stream about your service. This gives you an excellent opportunity to really highlight and explain exactly what your service or your product can do for your customer. Sometimes we see ads for products and it's not always immediately evident how that would work within our business or even our life. So by doing the live stream method, you could actually give your audience new ideas on how to best utilize your product and services. And also, again, you could even invite customers to talk about how they've utilized your product or services. Maybe in a different way, not as intended, but equally beneficial, as long as it ties in with the branding of your business. The fourth idea is to actually invite an ambassador or to create a collaboration with an influencer. So they could come on your stream and actually talk about how they have used your product or service and the difference that it's made in their life and why they think it might be beneficial to the people that are watching. And it's true, we buy products from brands that we know, like, and trust, which makes perfect sense when you're working in the influencer marketing, that you find someone that's aligned with your brand, that has had a positive experience, and that can introduce your business to their audience, thereby transferring that trust factor to them as well. I know it seems like such a simple idea, but it is something that I often see businesses overlooking the opportunity to do just that. And with Instagram Live, again, it makes it so easy because no matter where your physical location is, you can invite an influencer or hire an ambassador anywhere in the world. And again, you as the actual broadcaster, you own the stream, which means you get to download that video and then repurpose it for other marketing that you might need to do. And the fifth idea is to actually create content that allows your audience to see some behind the scenes or the process of how your business runs. Now, I'm not just talking about showing someone, hey, this is what my office looks like. Although if you have a spectacularly cool office or location, it might be interesting and cool. What I'm really talking about is the process of how your product gets made, especially if the production process or the materials or things like sustainability are a big part of your branding and naturally something that you would want to be able to share and show your audience. So a live video showing the making of your product or the process behind your business could be super beneficial to help you build your brand and gain more customers. And no matter how long you've been on Instagram and whether your following is small or larger, if you use the tools that Instagram provides within their app, which includes Instagram Live, Instagram rewards you by showing your feed and your profile to more people, thereby expanding your business awareness even more. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend. And also, of course, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that you are alerted when my next video goes live. Oh, and before I forget, comments, questions, or just more information about Instagram, drop them right below in the comments under this video.